Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So are you tired of doing the regular puff and you want something different but still maintaining your puff, but you want to have a twist? Then this video is for you. Here I'm going to show you how I made a chocolate puff. Yes, you heard me right, a chocolate puff. First of all, I added in my all-purpose flour. I'm using 1 kg all-purpose flour. I sifted it already. Then I added in powdered milk. I'm making use of powdered milk. If you want to make use of liquid milk, by all means make use of liquid milk. And this is the twist. I'm using Cadbury hot chocolate. It's called 3-in-1 because it contains cocoa powder, milk and sugar. If you don't like this product, please do well to skip it and use the one you want. But the chocolate here is what is making the difference in today's production. You know, here I'm your queen of DIY. I bring in too much things that have to do with your DIYs. You can do it, I hope, and enjoy it yourself. I'm making use of two sets of Cadbury hot chocolate. You can add or reduce. You add in your salt to taste. All right. Then the next thing you'll be adding is your yeast. Know that yeast is what you need to proof this particular product. It helps it to rise. That's the summary of the whole grammar. Okay. Now I added in 1.5 tablespoons for 1 kg of all-purpose flour. Now the next thing I'm doing is I added in the sugar. If you don't like sugar, or for some reasons you don't want to use sugar, you can use your honey in place of sugar. If you have brown sugar, by all means use brown sugar. I have white sugar, so I'm making use of white sugar. On the screen is the ingredients I use. You can screenshot them and refer to it whenever you want to do your production. Now you introduce your warm water. Add your water little by little. Don't add all at once so that you can be able to control the consistency of your batter. This consistency is okay by me. I want it to be spicy, so I'm adding in pepper to it. If you don't want it, please skip this part. Mix very well, cover it, set it aside for a while. I left it for 28 minutes. And when I'm back, this is what I got. Based on the weather or the temperature in your area, it could be more, it could be less. But at this point, I am okay with what I'm having, and it's time to fry. Know very well that you are going to deep fry it. It's not going to be a shallow frying, it's going to be a deep frying. You preheat your oil, then you mold your batter into your oil as you want. After a while, it is already getting ready. So if this is the kind of content you want and you've not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so whenever I make a post like this, you will always be notified. Here is all about DIY. I show you how you do things yourself. This is the chocolate puff. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you.